Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to write a SQL query to find all employees with its managers, right? So here basically I'm going to use a self join. But before proceeding to write a SQL query, let me show you the data. So I have employee table over here, you can see. And in this employee table, in single table, we manage the employee information and his manager's details as well. So here you can see we have an employee number column here. This is the employee number, and this is MGR. This is nothing but the manager's ID, right? So let's say Kong is the president, so there is no manager. Now look at the second employee, Jimmy, who is kind of his job designation is analyst, and whose manager's ID is 8566. So if you look at the 8566, which is next to the John, whose designation is manager. So Jimmy managers is John, right? So similarly, if you look in the John, right, whose manager's ID 8698, and that is nothing but the 8698 is BAM, right? So basically employee as well as his manager details we have stored in the single table. In that case, we have to apply the self join, right? Now I'm going to write the query and I will explain you. So here I'm going to write a select, and I will do e.ename, that is nothing but an employee name, and let's give the one alias, beautiful alias like employee name. This is just given the column alias. Now I'm going to do m. What is e and m we'll discuss. So m dot ename again, and I would give the name as manager name, manager underscore name, yeah. And I'm going to select from, I would say, employee, and I would give e. This is, I have given the alias of employee table. Now as this is the self joined, so I will take the two alias, employee e and employee m. So this is the two alias of the same table. So this is working like a two different table, but this is a self join that will apply on the single table itself, right? And where clause, what I will do, that is very important, what I am going to apply in where clause. Where clause, here you can see here employee manager ID is nothing but the MGR column name. So I would say e dot MGR equals to m dot employee number, EMP number, right? And that's it, we are done. Let me format this query by pressing Ctrl F7. So this is the query. Now if I run this query, then you'll get employee name and corresponding manager name. Let me verify this information for at least few employees. So just I'm using snipping tool, cutting it out, and I'll go to the employee table over here, and let's verify first few results. Like Sam, right? Sam manager is John, saying that Sam, Amla, Cam and Jimmy all have manager as John, right? So let's look for the Sam first of all. So Sam, do you see somewhere? Sam is here, right? Whose designation is clerk and his manager is 8566. So 856 is whose email, whose number is employee ID is John. So John is the basically manager of Sam. So similarly, if you look in the Amla, so Amla is here. Where is the Amla? Yeah, whose manager ID is 8566. That is nothing but the John's employee ID, right? Now similarly, let's check for the Sean. Sean is, where is the Sean? Sean is here, right? Whose manager ID is basically 8698. So if you look at the 8698, that is nothing but the Baum, right? And Baum is the here. So information is correct. You can verify rest of them. All right. So this is very simple example. Basically this is the basically good example of self joining basically. So I hope guys you understood. Still you have any doubt, then please let me know in the video description itself. So guys, big thank you and see you there in the next video tutorial.